to my YouTube channel. If you're to my channel, welcome. My name is Jessica and thanks so much for joining my beautiful family. I hope that not only will you stay, but will you subscribe and become part of the J family. And to all my subscribers, honey, welcome back to the sky. So in today's video, you guys can see by the title, we're going to be doing something more self-care. You know, we're going to be doing a back to school maintenance vlog. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. We're gonna be getting our hair done, eyebrows, nails, toenails, skin. We're gonna be grooming, we're gonna be getting stationery, we're gonna be setting up new gadgets, exciting things. Okay, so I hope you guys are excited as much as I am, and if you are, don't forget to do the most by giving this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Don't forget to click the link down below in the description box so that you can follow the girl on Instagram. We're on the road to 400. Let's make it happen. Okay, so yeah guys, I'm really excited. And also don't forget to click the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so that you can get notified every single time I drop. And yeah man, so we're gonna have different things on, we're gonna have different agendas for every day. So yeah guys, let's not blab on, let's not talk, let's get into the swing of things. Okay, period. Alright you guys, so let's get you into it. So today is day one of this back to school maintenance vlog, and on the agenda today we're going to be unplaiting this hair. You know what, this hair is so old, it's gotta go. Okay, but you know what, we're gonna be fixing up all those things. We're gonna be make sure that boss lady looks ready. Okay, so yeah, let me show you guys my hair. It is so bad, it's gotta go. See, it's gotta go. It's time for it to go. It was amazing while it lasted, and actually lasted quite a long time, but it's gotta go. It's gotta go. And yeah, let me play some music and then we are going to get rid of this hair. But yeah, let's play some music, child. So I'm done with my hair. My hair has grown. Oh my gosh, I know my hair looks very dirty right now, but yeah, I'm done unplaiting my hair. I'm just gonna, am I gonna brush it? I'm not sure, but I need to film some content, so I'll probably like put it in a neat kind of like hairstyle, and then yeah, that's kind of it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow when we go and wash and treat and braid my hair. Okay, so yeah, let's catch up tomorrow. Alright you guys, so as you guys know, it's day 2 of this maintenance vlog, and I am at my hair appointment. I'm going to do my hair. Hi guys, so you guys must probably know I did my hair yesterday, but I couldn't show you guys my hair because I finished pretty late and it was sore and I was tired, and I was just like, I'll show you guys tomorrow. And I made a promise to myself that I'm going to show you guys, because in my last vlog I was doing my hair and I didn't show you guys. So I just did half straight up, half knotless braids, and when I tell you I look stunning, please, I'm obsessed. Intombi maybe pretty, intombi maybe nama dimples, or intombi maybe, you understand? Thank you. So this is the hairstyle, nothing hectic. I put in a bun, but you can also unravel it. Yeah, pretty much what I had before. I like it guys, I like it, and I feel like the transformation, oh goodness, it's coming together really nicely. I really like it. And yes, today we've got something different on the agenda. We're gonna be setting up the girls' smartwatch. Period. And today we're going to be doing something very exciting, something that I've been postponing for the longest of time because I wanted to do it with you guys because you guys are my faves and you guys are about to be sick of me. Okay, so I'm going to be unboxing with you guys my new Polaroid fitness watch. Oh my gosh, guys, this baby, she looks to die for. I am obsessed. Y'all are about to be sick of me. Okay, I love it. So yeah, it's the Polaroid fitness watch. Let me just read to you guys a couple of the what do they call them, additional product info. Okay, it's got sleep monitor, Bluetooth, multi-sport modes, a heart rate monitor, a pedometer, a calorie counter, an alarm clock, incoming call and message notification. So I'm gonna be like, hello. Music control, camera function, weather forecast, water resistant, chipset. I don't know what that is. It's got a customized watched face. Boy, now listen, y'all are about to be sick. I mean. Alright, you guys, so this is all the stationery that the girl got from Pick and Pay. Well, this is all that I needed because my other stationery is still very much in check. You know what? One thing about me, I will be responsible with my stationery. Okay, so yeah, here's the stationery. Hashtag get ready for school, darling. And now, let me introduce you guys to the finer things in life. Introducing today's sponsor, Lydia's Touch Design. Lydia's Touch Design is a brand that specializes in creating double-sided, adjustable, and reversible silk and satin bonnets, pillowcases, headbands, and many other hair care items. It offers a wide range of different colors and designs. These products are carefully designed using materials which are hypoallergenic, less absorbent, and breathable, meaning your hair would be able to retain moisture and natural oils for longer. Invest in your hair by purchasing these beautiful silk and satin bonnets, which are good for natural hair as they prevent frizz, breakage, and preserve natural oils in your hair. A very big thank you to Lydia's Touch Designs for sponsoring today's video. guys, so today is the last day of this maintenance vlog, and today's Monday the 18th of July, the day before schools open. There's just one more, like a couple of hours left, and then Ruela school. So I just like to say good luck to all of you. Good luck for term 3. You got this. Don't let term 3 like beat you, like don't let it trap you the way term 2 did. And yeah guys, I'm wishing all of you guys the best and good luck for your reports. And yeah man, here's to an amazing successful event for term 3. Okay, period. So thank you guys so much for watching. I absolutely enjoyed this vlog, this transformation. It was amazing. I absolutely enjoyed it. Do let me know if you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. There's just like a couple of like final touch-ups left to do, like for me to pack my books in my bag, since I did wash my school bag. Clean Gerties worldwide. So just for me to pack my lunch, pack my books, yeah, just like minor things. But yeah guys, I absolutely enjoyed it today. Since it was the last day of this transformation, I did do my skincare, exfoliating with the Caribbean what you know, natural what skin tan. I did do my eyebrows. I just plucked them a bit with a tweezer and some scissors. And then what else did I do? I did some grooming. I shaved my underarms because we're clean girlies worldwide. Okay. What else did I do? Yeah, face mask. What's gotta listen guys, we are focusing this term, the theme for this term, right? We're focusing on being fine babes and living it out to the fullest, focusing on living soft, okay, being a hot girl. You get? Thanks. I think you guys have been seeing what I'm moving my hand. I'm wearing my watch, guys. It's so sleek. Oh my word, I love it. For me, I love it. I'm obsessed. Okay, y'all are about to be sick of me. Guys, just look at this. This looks so pretty. Oh my. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below letting me know your thoughts. I want to know what you guys are thinking about this video. Just let me know your thoughts, any more new video ideas you guys would like to see. I hope you guys like this self-care version of my channel. And yeah guys, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna make lunch and I'll show you guys what I make, because I'm gonna try to make something nice. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be talking like this for the next couple of vlogs. Okay. I love my watch. I love it. Okay, so yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Do give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. Guess what guys, we made it to 400 on Instagram. I'll put the screenshot somewhere. 400 more. Now listen, thank you to all of you guys who follow me on Instagram. Make sure to subscribe to my channel also, so that 400 you get it, angel numbers. So yeah guys, I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys. Stay tuned for the next vlog because it's gonna be lit. I know it's gonna be lit. Okay, period. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.